Hi, Shenda here from Follow the Camino. Here we have a short video about our client area. I hope you find it interesting.
From the website, you can easily access the client area. Simply go to followthecamino.com and click on Client Login. This will then allow you to log in to your client area. Simply input your email address and your password and click Login. This is the home page of your client area. From here, you can see your trip details as well as edit your profile details. To do this, click on your name in the top right corner. Your profile details have your name, date of birth, address and contact information. Here, you can also update your email preferences so that you can receive our newsletters for Follow the Camino and our sister company One Foot Abroad. To go back to the home page, simply click on the home icon at the top left. On the home page, you can see your trip. It will show here from the moment the quote is created. Click on See Details to see more. Here you have your customised itinerary. This is the specific details of your trip. Here is the day-to-day itinerary with the dates, towns, accommodation, rooming and meals included, as well as any other services. To move to Traveller Details, you can click Next at the bottom, or at the top, click on the yellow dot above Traveller Details. Under the Traveller Details, you can add in the name and email of your travelling companions and invite them to the itinerary. You can also update any dietary requirements for you and your travel companion. Below, you have the rooming area. Here, if more than one room on the itinerary, you can move the passengers to the correct rooms as necessary. Simply click and drag their name to the appropriate room. Click Continue to move on to the payment details, or if you want, you can also just jump straight to the payment details when you first enter the booking by clicking on the yellow dot above Payment Details. Under the Payment Details sections, you can see your deposit and balance due. Select the option for which you want to pay, for either just you or also for your travelling companions. When you have selected whom you want to pay for, then tick the two boxes below authorising Follow the Camino to collect the balance when due and that you agree to our terms and conditions. Then click on Pay for a pop-up to allow you to make your online payment via credit card or debit card. The final section, which is Important Downloads. This section contains important information for your trip. This will be accessible after your deposit is paid. The information here is your general information about the Camino, your road book for your itinerary, kit list of what to wear and pack, as well as a training programme and advice on lost property. Below the download section, there is information on your holiday pack. It will show here when and where your holiday pack was sent, once sent. The standard items that are part of the holiday pack that is posted to you are the luggage tags, Camino passport, and scallop shell. Once your trip is fully confirmed, your vouchers will also show in this area for you to download.
Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you found it very useful, and I guess all we can say for now is Buen Camino!